Insert the tool into the drill chuck and tighten. Also make sure that the cutter bar handle is down. Make sure to space the gripper about 1/4 inch from the nose, and then reverse the drill direction to prepare for an install. Next, open the gripper and insert the band. Now, release the gripper catch to grip the band tail. You are now ready to install. Grip the stability handle and activate the drill. Continue activating the drill until the clutch torques out or proper tension is reached. Roll the head fully forward, and then press the cutter bar handle forward to cut the band. Pull the tool forward off the band at the same angle as the band tail so as not to release tension. Open the gripper handle to release the band tail. Prepare for the next install. Move the gripper to the forward position. Reverse the drill direction. Move the cutter bar handle down.